Welcome back to Charleston New Homes Guide, Rob with the Guide. I'm Keely Bird, your local new construction expert. Today I'm with DRB Homes in Midtown Nexton. I'm out front of this brand new Beaufain model, one of two models they've just unveiled here. At just under 2,200 square feet, this home has so much to offer, including that it can flex to be a 1 or 2 story home. They've got some really great features inside. And we also are in Midtown Nexton, meaning residents here have access to the exclusive Midtown amenities, including the gym, pool, and clubhouse, as well as the Brighton Park amenities, which has an additional pool and dog park. Let's get inside and take a tour of all the amazing things that are happening in this Beaufain model. DRB Homes welcomes you to this Beaufain model with the vaulted ceiling and a true foyer. I really love that. A real welcome to a home. And then right into this floor plan. So, some standout features that you're going to get no matter what. 10-foot ceilings on the first floor and a really nice trim package. Those are standard here. Check out just how beautiful this kitchen is. We've got the two-tone cabinets, so we're mixing some nice warm woods in with the gray that we've been seeing, bringing those nice gold features in here. You know we're in an all-natural gas community, so you see how they have the beautiful appliances here. And of course, this really modern apron sink. I love how they're keeping the selections coastal and clean, just really fresh. Nice dining area. We flow from the dining right into two of the three bedrooms on the first floor. So this home can just have the first floor. So if you want just a simple, around 1750 square feet, you get your three beds, you get your two baths, and all your living is on one level. Here's the shared bath, which I love how they did the dual vanities for this hall bath. And then they also did the tile all the way to the ceiling, which I think is great. But, you can just keep it here with the 3-2 or go ahead and add the second story feature. And I love how they've kind of tucked the primary bedroom all the way into the back of the home, making it just a nice little reclusive sanctuary here. You see that tray ceiling with the shiplap details. The primary bath has the frameless shower door, transom window, of course, tile all the way up to the top. I love that they've separated these vanities. So you have dual vanities, but they are separate. And then we have a nice, large shared closet here. They're bringing that flooring into the closet, which I really love. So, just a wonderful space in the back of the house for this beautiful primary bedroom. The living space is highlighted by this electric fireplace and it can change colors and it kicks out just a ton of heat. The trifold door lets in so much light. Also, you can see how they've done this out here with this fireplace, which I love. You could also screen this in or just have a covered patio area. Really, enjoy your low country living by extending out into the open spaces here. The Beaufane is just such a thoughtful floor plan, and I love how they've created all these different spaces for you on this first floor. All right, so we are on the second story of the Beaufane model, and this is the optional second story because downstairs does have the true full three beds, two baths. But I've been told that a lot of people are choosing to add this, just giving you that extra space, that extra bedroom and bathroom that people are really looking for. And I think that's something great about adding this is that you get this entire storage area here because this is your where your systems are. So your in the air handlers up here and you get all this extra storage not included in the square footage, which is a huge bonus. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's Ride with the Guide and touring the Beaufane model with me by DRB Homes. I love this model because you can keep it really simple with just the single story or add that additional space if you need it. Of course, being in Nexton has so many advantages. You have all these great amenities. It's such a sense of community here, and I think that this is such a great builder to choose within this community. If you guys have any questions, on-duty agents are available. There's homes that are ready and there's homes that are being built as well as, if you want to pick your own lot and one of these two plans, you can build the dream home you've been wanting in Nexton. They're always here to help. You can make an appointment or just pop in. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you on the next Ride with the Guide.